me as I do this. So that's our filter, but in here, inside of here, is a filter. It comes with one already installed and then an extra one. It's a hard mist. There's the mist in the middle, and then no water in the middle. That excellent shower curtain. Then this detaches when the water comes out. Extremely hard if you want. I'm not going to do it because water will get everywhere. That's all. Hope you guys were able to see it.
Okay, Mom, just installed your new shower head. Has the adjustable thing so you can turn it if you want to. It has 3 modes as well. And this is what it looks like. So you can lean it upwards if you want or downward. Has 3 adjustable modes. You can change it to yeah. There you go.